Ever wanted to know world records like the heaviest metal in the world? Well, in this video of Knowledge Mine Education we present to you world's biggest, smallest, largest, longest, shortest, tallest, thickest, thinnest, fastest, slowest, heaviest, lightest. Part 1. So let's dig up some knowledge. Biggest versus smallest. The biggest mammal is the blue whale and the smallest one is the Etruscan shrew. The blue whale's scientific name is Balaenoptera musculus, while the Etruscan shrew's scientific name is Succus etruscus. The blue whale's length has been recorded up to 29.9 meter while the Etruscan shrew is about 4 centimeters excluding the tail. The blue whale's mass has been recorded up to 173 tons while the smallest mammal has an average mass of 1.8 gram. The blue whale is an endangered animal and it is found in Arctic and Antarctic oceans and also in tropics and equator. The Etruscan shrew is also endangered but only in some countries and it is found in warm and damp areas with scrubs. Now in terms of birds, the biggest bird is ostrich and its scientific name is Struthio camelus, while the smallest bird is the bee hummingbird and its scientific name is Metlizhia helene. The ostrich's size varies from 1.8 to 2.7 meter in height while the hummingbird has a size of just 57 millimeters. The biggest bird's mass ranges from 63.5 to 131.5 kilogram, while the bee hummingbird is just 1.6 gram in mass. The ostrich is a least concern bird, which means that its population is stable but the bee hummingbird is near threatened. The ostrich lives in various parts of Africa and Asia Minor while bee hummingbird is found in Cuba and the Isle of Sau. Largest versus smallest. In the context of bacteria, the largest one is Thymargarita namobensis and the smallest bacteria is Mycoplasma genitalium. The largest bacteria has a size ranging from 100 to 300 micrometer while the smallest bacteria is just about 0.2 to 0.7 micrometer. The largest one does not cause any disease but the smallest one is notorious for its causes of STDs, which stands for sexually transmitted diseases. Both of the bacteria's gram stain is negative. The largest bacteria is found in ocean sediments of Namibia, from which its name is derived. Mycoplasma genitalium lives in waste disposal organs, genitals, etc. Now in terms of arthropods, the largest is the Japanese spider crab with the scientific name as Macrocera keimferi. The smallest arthropod is Stygotantulus stocki. The scientific name is the same. The Japanese spider crab has a leg size of up to 5.5 meter and the body size of 40 centimeter. The smallest arthropod has size of just 94 micrometer. The mass of Japanese spider crab is up to 19 kilogram and its population is stable. It is found in Japan. Now coming up to amphibians, the Chinese giant salamander is the largest with a scientific name as Andreas davidianus. The smallest title goes to Pedophrine ammoensis with the scientific name being the same. The Chinese giant salamander has length of about 180 centimeter, while the smallest amphibian size is just 7.7 millimeter. The above picture can give an idea of its size. Also it may be the smallest vertebrate. The largest amphibian weighs up to 50 kilograms. The Chinese giant salamander is critically endangered while Pedophrine ammoensis has a stable population. The Chinese giant salamander lives in parts of China while the smallest is found in leaf litter in tropical forests. Now in terms of reptiles, the saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile. Crocodylus porus is its scientific name. The smallest reptile is Brachysia micra and that's its scientific name. Saltwater crocodile can grow up to a length of 6 meter and a mass ranging from 1000 to 1075 kilogram. Brachysia micra has size of up to 29 millimeter. The saltwater crocodile is on the category of least concern but extinct in some countries, while Brachysia micra is near threatened. The saltwater crocodile is found in eastern coast of India, Bangladesh, Southeast Asia and North Australia. Brachysia micra is found in North Madagascar. Longest versus shortest. In terms of lifespan, the longest living animal is immortal jellyfish with scientific name as Turritopsis sterni, while the shortest lifespan is with mayflies. Since there are multiple species of it, its scientific name is Ephemeroptera. The immortal jellyfish is about 4.5 millimeters tall and wide while mayflies' size ranges from 12 to 35 millimeter. The immortal jellyfish is actually biologically immortal. It does it by reversing its age. Mayflies on the other hand lives only for 24 hours. The immortal jellyfish's population is stable while mayflies are unknown. The immortal jellyfish is found in Mediterranean Sea and in Japan while mayflies is found in America, United Kingdom and Canada. Now coming up to the context of rivers, the longest one is River Nile, which has length of 6,650 km. It flows through Egypt. The shortest title is bagged by River Row in USA, which has a length of 61 meter. Tallest versus shortest. In the context of building, the Burj Khalifa in UAE is the tallest with a total height of 829.8 meters. It costed $1.5 billion for construction. Its architect was Adrian Smith. It was opened on January 4, 2010. The shortest building on the other hand is Nubi McMahon Building in USA with a height of 12.2 meters. Its architect was Michael Beards and it costed $200,000 for construction. It was opened in the year 1919. Now comes the part of human beings in terms of height. The tallest person in the world is Robert Wadlow and he was born on February 22, 1918, in USA. His last measurement shows he was 272 centimeters in height. The shortest person in the world is Chandra Bahadur Danji. He was born on November 30, 1939, in Nepal. His total height was 54.64 centimeters the last time recorded. Robert Wadlow died on July 15, 1940. Chandra Bahadur Danji died on September 3, 2015. Heaviest versus lightest. In the part of natural occurring elements, uranium is the heaviest with an atomic mass of 238 atomic mass unit. It was discovered in 1789 by Martin Heinrich Klaproth. The lightest element is the highly inflammable gas hydrogen with an atomic mass of just 1 atomic mass unit. It was discovered in 1766 by Henry Cavendish. Now in the context of metals, osmium is the heaviest with atomic mass as 190 atomic mass unit. It was discovered in 1803 by Smithson Tennant. The lightest metal is lithium with atomic mass as 7 atomic mass unit. It was discovered in 1817 by Johann August Arfwedson. In terms of flying birds, the heaviest bird is Carey bustard with scientific name as Ardiatus cori, while the lightest bird is bee hummingbird with scientific name as Melisga helena. Carey bustard weighs 18 kg and it's a vulnerable species, while bee hummingbird weighs just 1.6 gram and it's in the near threatened category. Now in the context of flightless birds, ostrich is the heaviest. Its scientific name is Struthio camelus. The lightest bird is inaccessible island rail. Its scientific name is Atlantesia rogersi. The ostrich weighs up to 156 kg while inaccessible island rail weighs 30 gram. Both are under vulnerable species category. Fastest versus slowest. The fastest animal on land is cheetah and Acinonyx jubatus is its scientific name. The slowest is the sloth. Since there are multiple species, its common scientific name is Folivara. The cheetah can reach up to a speed of 120 km per hour while the sloth is so slow that its speed is just 0.005 km per hour. That's equivalent to approximately 0.139 cm per second. Cheetah is vulnerable animal while sloth is a least concern animal, which means its population is stable. In terms of water animals, the fastest animal is sailfish and slowest is starfish. Since there are multiple species, their scientific name is Ischithris and Asteroidea respectively. Sailfish can have speeds ranging from 36 to 54 km per hour while starfish's speed is 0.03 km per hour. Sailfish is a least concern animal but starfish is a threatened one. Now coming to the last part of this video, the fastest bird is Progerian falcon. Falco peregrinus is its scientific name. The slowest bird is woodcock with scientific name as Scolopax. The Progerian falcon can reach speeds up to 386 km per hour while woodcock has a speed of 8 km per hour. The Progerian falcon is an endangered animal while woodcock is a threatened one. Here we come to the end of this video, and one main point you might have learned from this video is that several creatures are having population instability, so it's matter of our mind to protect and conserve them. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and also subscribe. More videos to come soon. Thank you for watching.